Hello guys, it's Chuma here, back with another video, and for today I wanted to share with you guys my skincare routine during this quarantine downtime because I feel like I've just been under a lot of stress, and as a result of it my skin has been breaking out like something kind of crazy. So I've got some sensitive areas that I need to be able to just get right ASAP. So I thought I would share with you guys this clay and apple cider vinegar mask that I tried out last week for the first time. Absolutely loved it. So I wanted to jump on camera and share it with you guys too, and then find out who else has actually tried this. Has it worked for you guys? Because I'm still in the process, so I'm just hoping that it works out for me too, because we need to get this situation situated. So I will do a close-up so you guys can have a look at what we're dealing with and what I need to work to clear up, and then we'll get into actually putting the mask together and putting it on my face. All right guys, here we go. So, problem area number one is right here. I keep breaking out, so I got one spot and then I get like marks. So problem areas mostly affected is here. So I can get away with like having blemishes around this area, but the moment you get into the middle of the eyebrows, problems. So I had literally a box. I had one spot there, one spot there, one spot there, one spot there. That needs to get situated. Okay, that's the first problem area. Next now, guys. So I had this massive spot there. Look at what's happened now. This whole area here. And then, look at that. Guys, here. Here. Anyway, that is the current situation right now with my face. So, you know, anyone who's looking at my pictures on Instagram and feeling like I've got flawless skin, please allow it, because your sis really doesn't. We've got a situation here, and you know, there's only so much Fenty can do to be able to help us out in this situation. And the fact that I would like to be able to wear my own face out, wow. The fact that I would want to be able to have more of a natural look, not put foundation on every time I come and film, because it's getting long now, literally. So that's why I'm like, let me do like a skincare routine or mask that I can kind of put together and see how that works for me, and if anybody else has tried it as well, you guys can let me know. So we'll get into the video. This is how I put the clay and apple cider vinegar mask together, and then go ahead and apply it as well. So to make the clay, I am using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This is a deep pore cleansing clay, and it is a bentonite clay that honestly works absolutely amazing. I had initially got this to try out for my hair, but ended up just doing like this face mask that I'm trying out. I'll definitely be able to try it out for my hair as well. And then next I am using the Bragg Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. It's with the mother. You have to make sure that you have to get the one with the mother to be able to use. I'm also using a few drops of tea tree oil and a squeeze of honey. To be able to mix everything together, I'm using a clear glass bowl and also my makeup brush. I basically use the end of my makeup brush to be able to mix, and then the actual brush to be able to apply onto my face. I don't have a plastic spoon or anything like that, so that's what I found worked for me in terms of the mixing process. You want to avoid using metal at all with this bentonite clay. It does not react well to it at all. So before I apply the face mask, I always start on freshly cleansed skin, and I always use the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. I also like to be able to do under my neck. I would show you, but it's not a very flattering angle at all. I will let the mask sit on my face for about half an hour. So I'm gonna go get some Netflix in, some chill in. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my face after I've rinsed out the mask. Nice, fresh, just, I always feel so good after I've rinsed out the mask. It just feels so yummy. So what I'm gonna do now is just tone, moisturize, and everything that I would normally do after I've washed my face. After a mask, you can go straight into just applying the moisturizer and that's it. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a glimpse of my skincare routine and what I do. So I'm going to go in with my tea tree toner. So this is the Body Wash Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. I like the mattifying part of it. And I'm just gonna go put that on a pad and just tone away. Cool. My dry lips. I'm gonna put Vaseline on my lips in a minute, guys, because they're dry. So after I tone, I always like to go in with a moisturizer. What I've been doing lately is trying out aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is moisturizing, but it also can tend to be dry. And so I have been mixing my aloe vera gel with almond oil. I've been using this aloe vera gel and it is the 7 Miracles aloe vera gel. It's pure aloe vera gel. It doesn't have anything else in it, and that's what I liked about it. Well, it has things in it to preserve it, but it's natural. And then I have been using the Tisserand Aromatherapy Sweet Almond Oil and moisturize my face with it. And with the almond oil, it just gives it a nice glow. I have recently been reading up on like a good or better skincare routine, and to be able to improve my hyperpigmentation and my dark marks, I must be using sunscreen. So I definitely got sunscreen ordered, and the one that I am using is this one. This one is the Bondi Sands, the Australian Tan. It's a daily face SPF 50 sunscreen lotion. So finally, once I have applied my almond oil and aloe vera, I go in with sunscreen. And I like the sunscreen because it's very light. It's made for the face, so. Because you know some sunscreen, you worry. You worry that it's either too oily or too ashy, especially on melanated skin now. You always have to worry about how it's going to turn out. But this one I really like. I've been using it since I got it and it works perfectly. So, glowing skin, baby, glowing skin. Love it. And literally that's all I do, guys. That is me. Every single week I do my face mask that you guys have seen me make and apply onto my face. And then my normal daily routine will consist of me using, to cleanse my face, either African black soap or the Body Shop Tea Tree cleanser. Then I'll go in always with my tea tree toner, and then my aloe vera gel mixed in with almond oil, and finally the sunscreen. So that's my routine. Just so you guys know the ingredients that I use for my mask and the skincare routine that I have with all the products as well. That is literally it, guys. That is all I do. And I'm just hoping that my skin starts to improve. I'm already seeing a huge difference since I started doing the apple cider vinegar and bentonite clay mask. I was using the turmeric mask before, but that got a little bit messy and it just became a little bit too exhausting. But this one I find is a lot better for me in terms of how quick it is to be able to put together and how it actually sits on my face, and you can actually literally feel something happening. And that's why I switched and really like the results that I'm seeing so far from it. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried this particular mask before? Do you prefer it better than the turmeric mask, or is the turmeric mask still your go-to? Please comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Any other tips and tricks for a better skincare routine is much welcomed. please send them because your girl needs some help. Please, please, please. But if you've liked this video, then do give it a thumbs up. If you're joining me for the very first time or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button to subscribe. Also turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you never miss a beat. All right, guys, until next time, bye.